Hello, today we will guide you through how to recover Life360 account password. If you've lost access to your Life360 password and need help getting back into your account, this process is fairly simple and can be done directly inside the app. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go and what to type so you can find the recovery option and continue with the instructions provided on screen. To begin, open the Life360 app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can clearly see the main interface. If needed, give it a moment to connect before moving to the next screen. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap on Settings. This is where you'll find account-related options and support tools. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the top area carefully, since menu layouts can vary slightly depending on your device or app version. After opening Settings, scroll down through the list of available options until you find Chat Support. This section is important because it connects you to the app's built-in help system, which can guide you through password recovery. Scroll slowly so you don't miss it, especially if there are several settings listed. When you locate Chat Support, open it and enter the message. I need to recover my password. Keep the wording clear and direct so the support system can recognize what you need and return the most relevant help result. This step helps point you toward the correct recovery path without having to search manually through multiple support topics. Next, tap on the result that appears and follow the on-screen procedure. The app will guide you through the remaining steps needed to recover your password. Be sure to read each prompt carefully before continuing, since the exact recovery flow may depend on your account status or the way the app is currently set up. As you go through the instructions, double-check any information you enter to avoid delays. It's also a good idea to stay on the recovery screen until the process is complete, rather than switching between apps, so you don't accidentally interrupt the session. That's all there is to it. By opening the Life360 app, going into Settings, finding Chat Support, entering your password recovery request, and following the on-screen instructions, you should be able to move forward with regaining access to your account.